Don Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. Hey, I'm putting a radiator in my 1968 Cougar with a 394 speed in it. And I can't tell you how many times over the years people have called us or ordered a new radiator. And I asked them, hey, what about your old one? And they're like, oh, I threw it away, or I'm going to throw it away. Don't. In fact, the shop I took my radiator to, Max Radiator, one of the only ones that will recore an original radiator properly, their quote was $1,000 to redo this. Everybody's gone aluminum, throwaway radiators, whatever. And I'm like, yeah, that hurts, absolutely. And they're trying to push me into their brand of Modine, whatever. What you don't realize is, especially on a four-speed car, four-speed cars didn't have the automatic transmission cooling ports. So they're unique. And had you have hurt your radiator in 1971 and gone to Ford and said, I need another one, they would have said, sure. And they would have given you a service replacement that was multi-fit. So you would have put it in your four-speed car, but you would have had the two cooling line ports right there. And these have unique part numbers. I'll have Junior see if he can zoom in on that. This is a date-coded radiator for this 68 Mustang or Cougar with a four-speed. And so, believe it or not, this radiator in terrible condition, and it was in bad condition, even had dents in the top of the tank here. Believe it or not, this terrible radiator is worth well over $1,000. So I have no problem with my customers buying our quality replacement. Fits right in, looks good. Doesn't say Fomoco, has a little different bar here. Everything about it's just a little different, but it fits good. The shroud fits good. But do not throw this away. Put a tag on it so when your kids go through your things someday, they'll go, oh, valuable radiator. Keep. Send away with car. So, and if you don't want to keep it, talk to us. We'll give you in-store credit. And even some of your cars that you might not feel are as valuable. Like this one, it interchanges with a 68.5 Mustang 428 Cobra Jet 4-speed. So to the right guy, you know, this is well over $1,000. But even if you have a 351 in your 69 or 70, well, that could be a Boss radiator. You know, that could be a Eliminator, that could be Mach 1. Those are getting to be valuable cars. So don't throw away your original radiators. Put them away somewhere. Same with the shrouds. Again, this shroud was available from your parts dealer back in the day, but the production units were a little different than the service replacement units. They beefed them up in a couple places because they knew they were prone to cracking. And so if you look closely at the part number on these, they'll have a different suffix and whatnot. This won't look perfect when I'm done with it, but with this product put on both sides of the crack, I'll put it on the face of the crack, I'll build it up behind the crack, and I might even just do a skim coat on the top of the crack. And provided you don't lean on it ever again, this shroud can be fixed. So again, maybe what you want to do is buy our plastic reproduction. Fits fine. The beauty of the plastic is when you lean on it, it doesn't crumble. Go ahead, use that, but don't throw this away. Put a little note on it so your grandkids know what it is. I recently had Ed Myers. He comes here once a year all the way from the East Coast. And I had 5 or 6 of these broken units. And you'd be surprised what some people will pay for broken shrouds in 3 pieces. We're talking hundreds of dollars. So hopefully this saves some really rare, sought-after parts from going in the dumpster from people that just didn't know. You don't know what you don't know. So public service announcement here, right here at West Coast Classic Cougar.